Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start lesson number 5, The Magic Pot. This story is very interesting story and I hope you will like it. So, let's see the introduction of this story. Shubhadatta receives a very precious gift from the Yakshas. Now, one man whose name is Shubhadatta, he receives a precious gift from Yakshas. Who are Yakshas? Yakshas, you can take it as the who guards the riches of the god. People who guards the riches of the gods. But what will happen to this good fortune when he cannot control his pride? Now these Yakshas are very good people of God who gifted him a magic pot. But what happened with that pot? This tale is adapted from the Katha Sarita Sagar or Ocean of the Streams of the Story, a famous 11th century collection of Indian legends, fairy tales, and folk tales by Soma Deva. So let us see what's there in this lesson, The Magic Pot. In Pataliputra, there lived a poor woodcutter called Shubhadatta. So one man, Shubhadatta, who was a poor woodcutter, lived in Patliputra. One day, when Shubhadatta was cutting wood in the forest, he saw four yakshas dressed in beautiful silk clothes and shining jewelry. So you can see here also in this picture that Shubhadatta is standing and around him four people are standing. They are yakshas. So when Shubhadatta was cutting wood in the forest, he saw four yakshas who were very well dressed in a beautiful silk clothes and shiny jewelry. If they get angry with me, they will curse me, Shubhadatta thought, his legs trembling with fear. So Shubhadatta thought that they will curse me that I am cutting the wood. So he was afraid. He was having a fear. So with fear, his legs started trembling. However, these yakshas were kind people. They were good people, very kind. Who are you? They asked Shubhadatta gently. I am Shubhadatta, a woodcutter. My master, he replied. So Shubhadatta told that he is a woodcutter. The yakshas looked at his stone clothes and thin body and decided to help him. Now, yakshas, as they were very good people, kind people, when they saw the condition of woodcutter, that his clothes are torn and he is very thin, poor man, they decided to help him. They said to him, work for us for 1 month. We will reward you well and will never be hungry again. They told that if you will work with us for 1 month, they will reward you. They will give some gift and he will never be hungry again. But what about my family? Shubhadatta asked. Now, Shubhadatta was worried about his family. He told that, what about my family if I will live with you for 1 month? Tonight we will send you to your wife in a dream, said the Yakshas. So now Yaksha said that tonight they will send Shubhadatta to his wife, but not really they will send him. They will make all this happen in a dream. सपने में होता है ना, same like that. You will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. So the Yakshas told that tell your wife, inform her that you will return after a month and you are safe here. In the morning, when she wake up, she will find money and clothes by her side. They told that what all she need is money and clothes. So When she will wake up in the morning, she will get some money and clothes by her side. Then I will gladly work for you, my master, said Shubhadatta happily. Now Shubhadatta was happy to work because they will provide money and clothes to his family, so he decided to work with Yakshas. Shubhadatta went with the Yakshas. They bathed in the river. He helped them dress in silks, which they produced out of nowhere. So Yakshas